Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install an app which is downloaded on AppsEazy.com platform. Here I have one app, AppsEazy. I'm going to click on download for Android. Now here it is giving me you want to download. I'll click on download. It's getting downloaded. App is downloaded. I'm going to open the app. Now it is going to give me a warning that I need to open the unknown resources. I'm clicking on settings. From settings I have unknown resources. I'm going to click on unknown resources. I'll allow, click on OK. Now here it is, click on install. Now app is going to install. Once the app is been installed, I will also open the app to show you how it looks like. The app is installed, so everything is fine now. Now I'm going to click on open. Now my app will open in a moment, and the best part is that I have created this app for free on AppsEazy.com, and whenever I want to publish it on Google Play Store, I can even do that in the my app section on the dashboard of AppsEazy. On extreme left hand side, my app, I need to click on there and I need to republish on Google Play Store, and it will be republished on Google Play Store as well as on AppsEazy Store. See, the app is absolutely working fine. So this is how you can install the AppsEazy app on your phone. It is absolutely Android compatible. Thank you.